guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change text alignment for rows in your Google Sheet document. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my Google Sheet document here, and I'm going to choose a random row. Let's take for example row 5, and all you have to do in order to change the alignment of this specific row is to click on the entire row itself. So once I select, for example, number 5, it's going to highlight the entire row for this specific row here. And to change the alignment on the upper right hand side or towards the upper right hand side, you want to go to the alignment, horizontal align, click on that and change the align to what you want. So I'm going to use, for example, centered as an example. All I will do, just click on center, and you can see that the text is now centered. And that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and change alignment or text alignment on rows in your Google Sheet document. And that's it guys. That's how to go ahead and change the text alignment in your Google Sheet document. Very easy and very simple.